Webetop WPG0167 generator was created to safely power devices by producing a pure and stable electricity. It's equipped with 3 DC outputs, 1 DC input, 2 USB output, and 2 AC outputs. Press power button on. The LED display will show you how much power left. There is a special handle design. It can be used for your CPAP machine, car refrigerator, LED string light, camping light, and mini portable projector, etc. There are 3 ways of recharging: 15-volt cigarette lighter socket while you are driving, 13 to 20 volt solar panels, and AC outlet through the input port. Camera, drone, printer, laptop, phone, music box can also be powered. Perfect backup power. Webetop is your best choice.